Hi, and welcome to the Ucraft Next tutorial series. Here, we'll walk you through the most crucial steps of your online store setup to help you get your business off the ground. To get started, go to the dashboard settings to input information like your business address, set currencies and time zones, and much more. First, add the primary details about your project. Mention the business industry or edit the existing one in the general information section. Move to the business address section to confirm or update the information previously set during the onboarding. Set your project offline in case it's still under construction, or make it private to ensure that only authorized users can access it by setting a password. Next, upload your logo. Add a favicon and a mobile touch icon. Set up your time zone and the measurement formats to better your product, order, and shipping management. Customize your order ID by adding a prefix and suffix or changing the starting point. Select a default currency for your store, along with the preferable display format. Or add a new one to enable sales worldwide. Let the system automatically set the exchange rate for different currencies, or do it manually. The prices will be calculated accordingly to be showcased on your storefront when switching to another currency. And last but not least, connect your social accounts to sync your product catalog and reach a larger audience. That's it for now. Up next, we'll cover setting up your inventory addresses to facilitate the delivery process for your online store. Questions? We're just a click away, 24/7.